Ever felt overwhelmed while hunting for diabetic-friendly and weight loss recipes that are not just healthy but also delicious? You're not alone. It's a common struggle to find meals that cater to specific dietary needs, yet are still enjoyable and satisfying. The challenge of marrying health and taste is real, but it doesn't have to be daunting. Managing diabetes and weight gain doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Well, the search ends here. Welcome to our channel, Diabetics and Weight Management Food Recipes, which is dedicated to bringing you easy, tasty, and most importantly healthy recipes. Join us for nutritious diabetics tasty dishes, simple ingredient and easy to cook. Subscribe now for mouth-watering diabetic-friendly salads, soups, meals, and delectable desserts. We will upload at least 3 videos every week so you can feel the joy of healthy tasty dishes from around the world. Discover a world of culinary delights tailored to support your health goals without compromising taste. From hearty breakfast options to satisfying dinners and delectable desserts, our recipes are crafted with wholesome ingredients and mindful of the glycemic impact. Today we're diving into a simple low-carb salad recipe that's perfect for those managing diabetes and aiming for weight loss. This dish is not just nutritious, but also delicious, making it a perfect balance between health and taste. Are you ready to start? Let's dive in. Firstly, gather all the necessary ingredients. We'll need a handful of fresh spinach, 2 cloves of garlic, a juicy lemon, a ripe avocado, and a dash of olive oil. Now let's get cooking. Start by washing the spinach thoroughly. While it's draining, peel and mince the garlic. Then slice the lemon in half, and gently squeeze to extract the juice. Be sure to remove any seeds that sneak their way out. Next, slice the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh. Combine the spinach, garlic, lemon juice, and avocado in a bowl. Drizzle the olive oil over everything, then give it a good mix until all the ingredients are well combined. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Let it sit for a couple of minutes to let the flavors meld together. And there you have it, a delicious healthy meal ready to be enjoyed. Eating healthy doesn't have to be a chore. With this recipe we've shown how delightful it can be. Remember, every bite is a step towards better health. Craving more? Subscribe to our channel for a wide range of diabetic-friendly and weight loss recipes. Together we can make healthy eating a delightful experience.